We're here at PMI, which is Pueblo Motorsports Incorporated, and it's a 2.2-mile road course with like a half-mile long straightaway, which is really cool. You come out at about 60 miles an hour on the Ducati 999R with your knee to the ground and spin the rear tire, and front end comes up and away you go. Half-mile long straightaway, 150 mile an hour plus, then brake, downshift, go into turn one with your knee to the ground, feed power on the exit. Some of them are increasing radius, some of them are decreasing radius, some of them are uphill, downhill. So it's very, very, very challenging and very, very fast. And that's one of the reasons I like it. The gear that you need for any of the track courses, you need over-the-ankle shoes or boots, leather pants, leather jacket, full face helmet, and full coverage gloves. We do rental bikes. We have, again, the 250 Rebel, we have the 500 Ninja, and we have the Ducatis, the 999s. And we'll rent any of those to anybody that's got, reasonable proficiency.